We'll guide you through how to create character modeling in Blender using the most current methods and tools available for 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop and make sure you're using the latest version to access all the updated features. You want to start by selecting the default cube, which you can delete by pressing the X key, clearing the workspace. Then, go to the Add menu at the top left, select Mesh, and choose UV Sphere. This will be the base for your character's head. Press the Tab key to enter Edit mode, and then use the G key to grab and move vertices. For more control, you can press S to scale and R to rotate the sphere to shape it into the desired head form. Next, add another UV sphere for the body following the same steps. To go to the Add menu, scale and position it below the head. Use the Extrude tool by selecting faces and pressing E to pull out arms and legs from the body sphere. Press Ctrl and the number keys 1 through 5 to apply a subdivision surface modifier for smoother geometry. This helps in achieving a more refined look. For finer details like eyes and mouth, switch back to the object mode and use the sculpting tools available in the sculpting workspace. You can select brushes like Draw, Crease, or Smooth to add or subtract material, giving your character more personality. Texturing comes next, so go to the Shading tab, where you can apply colors and textures to your model. Use the principled BSDF shader for realistic materials and the Image Texture node to apply any images like skin or clothing patterns. Finally, set up lights and cameras in the Layout workspace to give your character the right ambiance and perspective. Render your scene by hitting F12 to see how your character looks with all the applied textures and lighting. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.